Good day and welcome to video number 9 of the 2023 NCEA Apply Probability Methods in Solving Problem. This is the Level 2 Statistics paper and this is question 2A part 4. And this is an excellent question, so we shall read them properly. Okay, so without further ado, let's do question 2A part 4. Okay, this table was reproduced from the previous part 1, part 2, part 3 and in the same table. Okay, the report claims that New Zealand youth are about 70% more likely to watch streaming services but over 40% less likely to watch TV than New Zealanders aged 25 and over. Evaluate this claim and use appropriate calculation. Okay, so now we are talking about streaming of youth and streaming of adult. Okay, streaming of youth, so you look at streaming here. Okay, so yes, it's 700 and streaming of youth. Okay, so youth is 191. Okay, so 191 out of a total of 251. So the youth streaming, if youth is going to be 191 out of 251, if you put your calculator, it's going to be 0.7610. Okay, now what happens if it's streaming if adult? So streaming if adult is going to be 533 out of 1169. So it's going to be 533 over 1169. Okay, and then we are just going to put the calculator and the answer is going to be 0.4559. I did the calculation beforehand. Okay, to calculate the relative risk, you take the youth number divide by the adult number. So we're going to put here 0.761 divide by 0.4559. Again, put in your calculator and the relative risk is going to be 1.667. Okay, so if you compare youth to adult, so youth is around, simplified to 1.67, so it's about 67% more likely to watch streaming than adult. So 67%, we can say more or less about 70%. So we can claim that this statement is correct. Okay, that 70% more likely, youth are 70% more likely to watch streaming services than adult. So now we do the second part. The youth is 40% less likely to watch TV than New Zealanders adult. So what we're going to do, we do the same thing. Okay, so probability of TV if youth. So we're going to take TV now. Okay, youth is going to be 90 out of 251. Okay, so 90 over 251. Okay, we're going to write here 90 over 251. If you put your calculator, it's going to be 0.3586. I did the calculation beforehand. How about the adult? Adult is going to be 705 over 1169. So it's going to be 705 over 1169. Sorry, it's a bit cramped because I run out of place. Okay, 705 over 1169 is going to be 0.6031. So the relative risk compare from the youth to adult, we're going to take this number, divide by that number. So it's going to be 0.3586 divide by 0.6031. If you divide them, it's going to be around 0.5946. So we were going to say it's around 59.46%. Okay, so 59.46% youth over adult. So it's going to be like 41%. So we can say about 40% less likely for youth to watch TV than the adult. So again, this statement is right. So we can conclude that both statements, okay, the statement that youth are about 70% more likely to watch streaming services, but 40% less to watch TV than the adult. So both statements are true and valid. And if you can do that calculation, that's an excellent. That's E7 for this paper. So hopefully you go through this process again and we will ace this exam. Cheers everyone and have a great day.